The next one is 3C Captains. It's actually very similar, I think, very similar to the Wandering Musician. Yeah, I remember back when I did a Wandering Musician, it was kind of a
3C or Wandering.
Yeah, we weren't totally sure. This
set remember when I thought this one was 7 Cs?
The 7 Cs. Yeah.
I mean, that would make more sense.
Yeah.
What 3 Cs is it?
There's 3 captains that are in the sea. Not 2 sea captains. 3 sea captains.
I thought it was like 3 Cs.
It's captains.
So we're talking about the 3 people that are captaining the ship.
Oh boy, I would assume so. We can get further clarification.
I thought we were talking about the 3 Cs.
No.
Okay.
This feels less like a set dance and more like we're dancing just a treble jig.
Yeah.
It lacks kind of a bit of identity.
I agree.
To me.
I agree.
It's a pretty easy set dance to build onto. There's pretty solid like counts and stops.
Yeah, there's nothing crazy.
Yeah.
It's solid. I mean, it's fine. I would put it at B. Oh no, this is where I'm forgetting what they sound like.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. For the 3C captains.